Did not mean to have the flash on. Sorry about that. Hi. Hi there. Blinding light. Yeah. Gonna make this short extra video. I already made pictures of what's going on outside. They're okay. Can't let the animals out. It's cold outside. Can't have the animals out. I mean, there is snow on the ground. Now, the reason why this is so awesome is because rarely gets snow down here. We're in Texarkana, Texas, right now. In Texarkana, Texas. The most snow you can expect is about 5 centimeters. This is clearly what seems to be about an inch. 2 inches maybe. Look at that. That is deep. If I grab a big bowl, yep, that's about 2 inches. And maybe an inch and a half. That's a lot for down here. My mom comes from up north, and it's way colder up there. Some sledge there. And yeah, it tends to get to about 6 inches on a normal snow day. The day that's maybe slightly cold, which is extremely cold down here. And the amazing thing is, the reason why this is a so good opportunity is because the entire city basically shuts down when this happens. Because this, to the equivalent of people in Texarkana, is like a blizzard. It looks like up north, like this looks like Boston or Massachusetts or something. But this is Texarkana, right up there by Louisiana, right in the line. In fact, the state line stuff. There is, however, someone down at the gas station. If you go down here into the non-existent driveway, you can see there's the gas station, and there is very clearly someone there. But I guess that guy must be on a road trip from up north and thinks this is like pissin' weather. And I just wanted to talk basically about this because it's hilarious, really. The fact that, fucking tree, that there is basically 2 inches of snow on the ground. You could still drive on the roads. In fact, someone did. It's not really dangerous if you know how to drive at all. But unfortunately, no one down here knows how to drive worth the shit. And you get this. I'm not in danger because I'm right here in front of my house. So I'm gonna head back now, but yeah, they think that this is the worst weather ever. I've seen bad weather, and I haven't lived it personally, but I know what bad weather looks like, and this is not it. This is fun. I mean, yeah, they got some ice here, a little bit of snow. Some Texans would look at this and say, this is the worst thing ever could happen. How am I going to go to work? Got to shut down the schools, everything. Up north, people will be driving and stuff like this. The cars will be frozen over all the way and going to work still. Everyone acts like the end of the world's happening when 2 inches of snow appear. Don't want to kill yourself now. And everything, as you can see, is pretty fine. I should have slipped and fallen on my ass by now, but just not gonna happen. Well, I just cursed myself forever now. I'm gonna fall on my ass one day and break all my bones. Maybe. Maybe not. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about how hilarious that is for me and for everyone, basically. And now, I'm gonna go inside and wait for the morning. It's supposed to snow a little bit more. It was supposed to be snowing all night, but it seems to have stopped. Who knows? Maybe it will continue at some point. Anyway, it's just me talking about stupid people and snow. I love snow. Alright, bye.